Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I have some happy mail. This is coming from a swap that I did with a Facebook friend. Her name is Cristina. Hi Cristina. And so I opened it up here and look at this beautiful shred. I think this is so pretty. I've never seen a combination like this, but it's perfect. We wanted to do a unicorn swap, a loaded envelope, so that is what this is all about here, and I think this goes perfectly with the unicorn swap. So there's some fun shred, and then it looks like there's some other like little pink foam balls and tissue paper. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Ooh, look at this. Oh, this is really pretty. She made a gorgeous wand here with a doily and this really cute unicorn sticker. And look at this gorgeous like tassel on the bottom of it. So pretty. So here is the loaded envelope. Let me pull it out here. She has it like a little, oh, she made a backpack. Very cute. I didn't realize she was making a backpack. So adorable. Look at that. I love this paper that she used. And she added some really pretty roses on there and some pom-pom trim. So on the front pocket, let me move this out of the way. Oh, she included a little lollipop there. That's fun. I love that. I'm going to keep this to add to my videos. I think it makes a nice little background. Alright, so on the front she added some cut aparts with the little paper clip. Cute. Which paper collection did you use, Cristina? Oh, look at this paper clip. That's really cute. Yeah, this is cute. I love that paper. I love strawberry paper. Swans. Oh, love that. And then there's a pocket on the front here. Oh, that's just for appearance. And then I'll pull all this out here. Oh, she made, okay. So she made the backpack to put the loaded envelope in. So here's the little loaded envelope. That is really cute. A loaded bag. So on the front, she made a little shaker element and then added a cluster of flowers there and some pom-pom trim. And then in this pocket, there is a little baggie of a fun sequin mix and a little altered spoon. And then this side, she included a little baggie of roses. Those are really pretty. And then inside here, this top one, she made me some unicorn embellishments. And I love her topper on here. That's really pretty. It's a crepe paper rosette and then a little doily and then the unicorn on top. So cute. These are adorable. I love that idea of embellishing the unicorn heads. And then here's another set of embellishments, and she made little clocks. Those are adorable too. And I like how you included the sequins on the inside of the bag. That's really cute. This is really adorable. This, oh, I love this. Did you, oh, it's, okay, you added some tulle on the top of the crepe paper rosette. That, I love that. That is pretty. And then here are more little mini envelopes. Those are adorable. And she put my initial there, the K. That is really, I love that. And this kind of looks like those little candies. The Smarties, like an embellished Smartie pack. These are adorable. I love them. Super cute. And then here is a card. I'll read that later. And she sent me some rhinestone stickers, or rhinestones, and then this really cute set of unicorn stickers. And then these rhinestones as well. Cool. Very nice. And here's another little cut apart there and flower. So thank you so much, Christina. I really enjoyed swapping with you, and I look forward to doing more swaps with you. So I hope you guys like all these things that she made for me. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.